Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one other Faucet website. You can claim your Faucet from that website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and watch this video until end. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. Website name is arena.space, and right now I want to share the Litecoin Faucet. 20 time claim per day. This much Litecoin you can earn every time for claim. You can put your Litecoin wallet address in here. Go to your Faucet pay, go to deposit, copy your Litecoin wallet address, come here and paste, and you can just click claim. Okay, and you can see this one is I'm human, solve this capture. You can change it to recapture you want. Okay, motorcycle, motor bus, sorry, and this is the motor bus. Okay, and just click check. Okay, I missed. This one is motorcycle. Okay, two motorcycle, that's it. Okay, and go down and click claim. Solve this capture 4981. It is a 4981. Okay, just wait for a second and just click get reward. This website pay you instantly in your Faucet pay account. You can see this one much Litecoin pay me in my Faucet pay account, and you can see, and this is the website. Okay, this is the website pay me my Litecoin, and this is very easy. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and bye bye for now.